Hey guys, so I was looking on how you can actually reset your Niu Kqi3 Max and what you can actually do to fix the issue. Now, I was even looking for manual and I was really curious if you can like give me advice or just share it down below in the comments how to fix it, because I couldn't find it even in troubleshooting in the manual on how to reset it. Then also there is this like thing that what you can try to do is just like if you can remove the battery or even disconnect the controller to perform a hard reset, maybe that is going to actually fix it. But just right here, even when I just search here in manual reset, it just doesn't find anything. So when I even checked here on Reddit, where people asked, let me show you, how do I reset? There was just like from the company, thank you for posting, we came to resolve the issue for you. It would be great if you could drop us a DM, but that's it, right? So nothing like, oh my god, press this and this and this, nothing. So I hope this video helped you at least a little bit. So try to maybe disconnect the battery if it's possible, circuit. And yeah, goodbye.